I will be guiding you through on how to find text with the help of AI Assistant in Adobe Acrobat. Yes, you heard it right. As the AI is taking over, every other app is their AI. So every other app is integrated with AI. So Adobe Acrobat also has a AI Assistant, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's say this is the page and I'm trying to read, and I just want so it's really hard for me to go through each and every paragraph. So let's say I just want to focus more on the psychology. So like, in order to find that specific word, you can simply go to the top corner and see this magnifying glass that says find text. Simply tap in there and type in psychology. So let's say I want to find psychology, so hit enter, and okay, so try it again. So it says find content related to psychology, so simply tap in there, and now AI Assistant will help us with finding content that is related with psychology. May take a while. So there you go, here's the content related psychology from the document. So this AI Assistant is going to give us all the content related to psychology, and so that we don't have to go through each and every paragraphs. We can simply look through this and easily go through all the stuff that we need. We don't have to search. So this is how you use AI Assistant in order to find text in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Thank you for watching.